Hi, it's Walter from Craftworks. Today I will show you how you can use Navio Vision to create a live data connection that will enable you real-time analysis and anomaly detection. Begin by selecting a use case from the main page, then navigate to Live Data Connection and click the Connect button. You can use either S3 or a Blob Storage to ingest data at a given interval. In the case of the S3 connection, you need to add the URL of the S3 service, the region, bucket name, as well as AWS secret key and access key. In the case of Blob Storage, an endpoint should be added as well as the container name, and account key. After you have entered the necessary data, click on the Verify button below. If the connection is verified, you can go ahead and click the Connect button. You have now successfully created a live connection. Previously, I showed you how you can create a live connection in Navio Vision, and now let's look at the details of the live connection. In our case, we use the Blob Storage connection that ingests data at an hourly interval. Here, we can also see when the connection started, the number of incoming images in total, as well as the average images velocity. We can also see the inference summary in the form of fractional data. In the table below, we can see similar details, but here the data is more granular since it displays details per each interval. And that is it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming Navio Vision videos.